Looks like they have all the drivers over there. All the drivers over like for a meeting or something.
All right, next race to come around is going to be truck number 4. Dale Clifford's going to be on the inside, Bethesda Power Sports lane. And he comes in here number 5 in the current standings. Dale Clifford, Dirty Dale's diesel.
Dirty Dale's.
On nearly 1,300 horsepower second gen. He's going to be up against Jeff Cruz out of the state of Iowa. And Jeff Cruz out there with a 900 horse Duramax, really fast. This is going to be a good race right here. Awaiting appearance number 1 of the Truck Challenge class. Jeff Cruz, you got to get in there, buddy. They really get after it. Jeff Clifford doesn't get the way Jeff
They've been having a lot of problems at the lakes. You know what I mean? The trucks just aren't going.
They all, as I said, they all got different staging.
They're not synced or whatever.
I want to answer your question. That's why they wet that down a little bit earlier.
20 total trucks here through this first round. So Christian Wickman will be out in number 20. Christian Wickman, number 20 on the drag. And that's a tough deal for him. He's number 2 on the dyno. Heavy favorite, and he is the first one out. Wickman knocked out the competition already. S&S Motorsports, WP Developments in the left lane. Right lane, triple turbocharged TJ5, second gen Cummins. That is tough right there. TJ5 gets the Hot Shot Secret hole shot to the Olsen Trucking first banner, that leader going. He gets the hole shot award. TJ Fry gets off the starting line first.
Yeah, the horsepower don't mean shit if you can't get her to eat.
That's why my dad always says if I done better on the horsepower, y'all enter gearing.
This is going to be Kevin Young is going to come over on the Jones Chevrolet outside right-hand lane with the 600 power stroke. Going to be facing off with a two-wheel drive entry.
Two-wheel drive entry.
Got a message, huh?
And we're going to need TJ Fry to exit the track on the big end. And he's going to need a support vehicle of his to the shutdown. Support vehicle to the shutdown for TJ Fry.
I asked me on the way for this day, like, oh fuck my
Tyler
life.
Paul's going to be facing off in the Jones
It's the worst day ever. Like, what do I gotta be here for?
North.
Unless you're just that guy, I guess.
He's the guy.
Tyler Paul leads the advantage.
I love this fucking Ford right there. That's one of my favorite colors that they ever put out.
Especially the two-tone teal.
Yeah, with the white.
Tyler Paul is going to finish number 19 here.
Yep.
I wanted to stop to see if they sell it. It's sad that
Besides the gray and black that I have.
And here we go, Austin Denny on the outside, Jones Chevrolet lane. Gunnar Cook on the Majestic Power Sports lane. missiles coming at us.
Damn.
That's badass.
That one
Well,
guy
he
got a
said
good
some of
jump.
them was
See, it's cool to
1,700
watch.
horsepower.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
It's cool to watch them like pull, but I love seeing them race. Dude, you can really see the power they have. You can pull a sled all fucking day long, you know what I mean?
Dodge.
I don't want to be that one on my phone. I want to watch these back. My buddy at work says get a couple.
Johnny Hooper says his front end is okay. He's going to be out here on the track with us. He's going to be racing James Benfield. And that's going to get him a loss as Johnny Hooper finds out there is something
No
not
power.
happy in the front end of his truck.
That backfire. Normally that's electrical, right? When you get a backfire.
Too much fuel, not enough spark.
Time to shut her down for today, John.
Max Wendell is going
That
to
guy.
be over in the Jones Chevrolet lane. He's going to be up against number 23.
Fast forward.
There we go. She fucking hooked an 8 on that one.
Yeah.
As soon as that thing kicked in, she said, squat. Every time I love 2 stacks on this one. Everybody, that's the only one I've seen with stacks like that. Everybody else is out the hood or out the big old back.
Oh, he got one.
Max Benfield gets a loss there. And they're searching for a loss. They got he had lost something down track on his pass. And they're looking for it here. And that's going to square up our next pairing here is going to be the Vitesse Power Sports left lane. Dakota Neitzel on Reedsburg with his Tavia second gen Cummins. He is going to be up against
Yeah,
the
let's say what that is.
7-3 Power Stroke.
That's gonna gear.
Joe Konopowski is going to be up here.
This is fucking sweet. Fuck yeah, dude.
Yep.
Only power problem on my head of course would be perfect.
Yeah.
Be good.
So what do you do for a living?
I do drain cleaning. I work.
So number 18 is going to be a trash. He's going to get
You work on your own or do you work for
No, I work for a company. I work for Roto-Rooter.
Okay. Why do you like that?
I love my job.
Is that truck
That
number
can get a little
18?
heavy,
He said
though.
it's going to get
Oh,
a
fuck
loss.
yeah.
What is it-
By
what is that-
Friday rolls around, I'm like, can I work with somebody today, please?
AC
What are they
Steiger.
waiting on?
The machines themselves aren't terrible because they're mostly aluminum. The heaviest piece is just the electric motor. But the cable itself, the one that I have, is about 85 feet, so it's like 120 pounds to carry.
He is
It's
broke.
pretty
Not going to be
heavy.
able to repair for this round, so he's going to give up a loss for
Don't
that.
slip with it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.